What's up, guys? Current events have us locked up in quarantine right now, but don't let that keep you down. Even though we can't really go outside, there are still plenty of ways to enjoy fursuiting in the comfort of your own home. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to make sure that you can still enjoy fursuiting at home. So, before we get started, make sure you boot that like button and subscribe. Let's get started. Number 5. Make TikToks. TikTok has exploded in popularity over the past few years. Furries in particular have found a home there. If you're not on TikTok already, I highly encourage you to go ahead and give it a try. I actually started fursuiting on TikTok as I only just got my fursuit as all this quarantine business was getting started. Give it a shot. There's already a well-established community waiting for you. Number 4. Attend virtual conventions. One of the best ways to have fun fursuiting is to attend a furry convention. It's a great way to show off your suit and build friendships within the community. Even though in-person cons have been put on hold for now, the community has come together to create online virtual conventions. These are going on throughout the year, and I will post a link to listings of upcoming conventions you can attend in the description down below. Number 3. Practice being in character. A fursuiter can tell you wearing a fursuit isn't just about wearing the costume. Bringing the character to life, it is a skill like any other that requires practice. What better way and what better place to practice than in the comfort of your own home? Just practice being silly. There's no one around to see you, and if you're worried about looking silly, you already look silly. You're in a fursuit. So, keep at it. You'll be a pro in no time. Tip number 2. Take pictures for Instagram. Once you're good and tired from practicing, getting in character, attending a virtual convention maybe, why not go ahead and snap a few pics for Instagram? It's a great way to build up your body of work and practice photo editing. You learn a great new skill. It's also an opportunity to take a look at other fursuiters on Instagram and again, make connections. One of the best parts of fursuiting is the community. And number 1, maintain your fursuit. Alright, so you've made some TikToks, you took some pics on Instagram, you've attended a virtual convention, and now you're tired. You've worked up quite a sweat and you deserve a break. So does your suit. Make sure that you perform routine maintenance on your fursuit. This can go from brushing and disinfecting after each session to a good deep clean every now and then. This will keep your suit looking nice and fresh, as well as making sure that you get the most of enjoyment from it for years to come. A good clean fursuit is going to last a lot longer than if you were to do otherwise. So make sure that you keep up with your fursuit to keep it looking its best. So those are 5 easy ways to have fun fursuiting at home. How are you keeping busy during the quarantine? Let me know down in the comments below. And thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.